Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if this is your first time. This is my review slash installation video for this light fixture. This is the Jacomi semi-flush mount ceiling light, and this is a 10 light Sputnik Chandelier. So I got this off of Amazon. I paid $60. Yeah, $59.99. And so I just wanted to let you guys know what I think. I really like how it looks. And it took about 15 minutes to put up, 20 minutes. So, stick around if you want to see more of the light fixture in the video. So before we get started, guys, if you like the video, if you want to see more videos in the future, and you would consider hitting that like and that subscribe down below, it is completely free to you, and it just tells YouTube that we're doing a good job making videos. So I really would appreciate it if you hit that like and that subscribe down below. So, alright, so always turn off the electricity. Disclaimer, I'm not an electrician. Just gonna switch this light fixture. I've already got the family room off, so we're good to go. Alright guys, we got our light off of Amazon, and this is what it's supposed to look like. Little picture right here. But this is how it comes. In a box. Alright, so we're gonna put it together and then we're gonna hang it here in the living room. See how this turns out. So here's the instructions, just brimming with knowledge. Alright, so we're gonna start by installing this bracket on the outlet box here using these two screws that were provided. Alright guys, so I put the drilled into the bracket. I put these into the little holes where they go. So the black one's the one that's gonna hold the fixture up, and this other one right here is the one that's gonna hold the bracket up. All right, so I went ahead and put one up here and one right here, and I'm gonna go ahead and install this. All right guys, again, make sure you turn off the electricity whenever you're working with electricity. Disclaimer, I'm not an electrician, just showing you guys my light fixture that I put up. Alright, and the bracket goes attached to the outlet box that you have in your ceiling with the two little screws that are provided. Alright, this has this wire in here. I'm gonna set this to the side with the screws and the nuts. Boom. Alright, next we are going to connect we're going to put the arms into this, and we are going to go short, long, all the way, and then we'll do the wiring. Alright, so this was probably the most tedious part. You had to install every arm individually, and you put them in the little hole, and then there was little nuts in there with a little washer that you tightened. Alright guys, so I got all the little arms in. Looks pretty cool. It's about 2 feet wide. I think it's smaller than we thought it would be, but or my wife thought it would be. Here's all the wires. So now we are going to run this down the little tube over here. And then we are going to connect the blacks with the blacks and the whites with the whites. and put the little cover on it, and then we'll be ready to hang it up. Everything hooked up, and I had put this on there already, but this goes after this. So first you put this cover on, and then you run everything through the wire, and then you put it on, and that's what keeps the cover on. There's everything. Next, we will put this one on. And then we will hook everything up. Alright guys, there you have it. It's hung up. Now we're going to put some light bulbs in it and try it out. I don't know, I think we might have gone a little too small. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below. My wife picked this out. I like the style, I just don't know about the size. Hey. Alright guys, there it is. I will bring the right light bulbs tomorrow, and right now I'm going to put some tape around the top of it, and then put some joint compound in the little areas around the fixture that need it. So I'll show you guys once I'm done, probably tomorrow, what it looks like dry. But yeah, that's our light fixture. I don't remember exactly how much we paid. I think like 60 bucks or 50. I'll put it right here, exactly above that way. I'll put it up here and you guys can see exactly how much we paid for it. And then I'll also put a link down below, an Amazon affiliate link. So if you guys are interested in this light fixture or similar ones, yeah, check them out. And thanks for watching guys. As always, if you like the video, hit that like, that subscribe down below, and we'll see you guys on the next video.